In this video, I'll show you how to add a footer to LibreOffice Calc quickly and easily. If you work with spreadsheets that you print often, footers are a great way to add useful details like page numbers, file names, dates, or custom text at the bottom of every printed page. This is a simple feature, but once you know where to find it, it can save you a lot of time and make your spreadsheets look much more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips and easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, you can use that file instead. This works the same either way. Once your spreadsheet is open, you're ready to add the footer. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains its options for adding extra elements to your spreadsheet layout, including page settings like headers and footers. After clicking Insert, choose Headers and Footers. This opens the settings window where you can control what appears at the top and bottom of your printed pages. In the window that appears, click the Footer tab. This is where you enable and customize the footer for your calc sheet. You'll usually see areas for the left side, center, and right side of the footer. These sections let you place different information in different positions, depending on how you want your printed spreadsheet to look. Click inside the left area, center area, or right area, depending on where you want your footer text to appear. You can type anything you want here. For example, you might add a report title, a company name, a date, a page number, or even a short note. If you want a cleaner layout, you can keep it simple and use just one section. If you want more detailed formatting, you can fill all three sections with different information. After entering your footer text, take a moment to check that everything looks right. Make sure the spelling is correct and that the footer content is placed in the section you want. Once you're satisfied, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. The footer has now been added to the printed pages of your LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet. Keep in mind that footers are mainly visible when printing or using print preview, so if you don't see it on the regular worksheet view, that's completely normal. You can always go back to Insert, then Headers and Footers, to edit it later if you need to make changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.